What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Separate and Sightless channel. Alright, so today we have the Mutadons here. These two are from the Ultimate Damage. And then we have the Strike Attack from Survival. This one has the, yeah, you push a button, it just does that. But for some reason, it doesn't have a pupil. If you look at the eye, there's no pupil compared to the Ultimate Damage. They have pupils in the eye. Look at that. I don't know why. Maybe Mattel forgot to paint it. See, this one has pupils. So the reason I bought this three out because we finally found the Hammond Collection Mutadon. So we're gonna unbox it. Check it out. There's the side right there. Okay. So we finally have the three of these. Alright, and there's another. When Ruben Delgado and his family desperately hide for cover in a gas station, the Mutadons are fiercely unpredictable and unrelenting while searching for them. Okay, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Okay, guys. More damage box. Okay. We finally have 4 Mutadons now. Whoa, totally different color. Has a better face. Check it out. Let's bring out the tail. I got extra wings. There's actually 3 pieces over here. We'll bring out the main guy here. Okay. Okay, I think we got it out. Oh, alright. So we got it out. Let's put the tail first. Go for the tail. Okay, no need for blow dry. Now we need another wing. Which wing? We'll take this wing. Oh, wow. Did it went in? No. Whoa. Okay. Alright, so it has an art. Oh, what? The jaw doesn't art. Oh, it does. Okay, jeez, that scared me. So this one looks better than the Strike Attack. Way better. Look at the paint job on this guy. The teeth looks nice. The mouth doesn't open all the way though. Just, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see the wings flap. Okay, there you go. Okay, the legs are articulated, which is good. Has raptor talons. Look at that. Can move the neck left and right. There's a serial number right there. Okay, let's compare to the Strike Attack. Okay, obviously the Hammond Collection is way better. Right, Safarat?
Yeah. Yeah, then.
Well, the Strike Attack has longer wings. Head. Now let's change the wings. Let's change it to the flapping part.
Yes. Then.
Alright, this one's really hard. Oh, wow. Okay, let's put this on. Is this right? Is this correct? Yeah, I think we got it right.
Yeah.
Okay, you hear the popping sound? That's correct.
Wow, I can literally fly now.
Yeah. But I wish they made the wings foldable though.
Yeah, I'd be happy.
Yeah, that would be better.
Yeah.
I wish they did that.
Yeah, I wish they did it that.
There, you need to hear the flappings. I mean the popping sound. Jeez, I said flapping, see? Like a wingspan on that. Let's check the... Oh, the Strike Attack doesn't fold its wings either. Yeah. Too bad.
I think next time I'm gonna make a fold in next time.
Yeah, probably next Hammond Collection for the Mutadon they can think about folding the wings. A different color again.
Yeah.
And they can make it better. So here's the wings.
Should be better to,
yeah. There you have it, guys. Our Hammond Collection Mutadon.
Yay.
Alright. Here you go. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.